Right, from a personal point of view, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everyone who's involved in that presentation. There's been a load of hard work going on behind the scenes, and I think we'll all agree they did an absolutely fantastic job summing up the year and trying to highlight some of the real positives that have taken place. So much has happened this year to celebrate. If you didn't get a mention, I'm sorry about that, but there's so much happens in this school that we can celebrate. We couldn't get everything in, but well done to everybody who has achieved something this year. Right, on to the main event. I'm going to do the prizes. I'm going to do them in groups of 3. So if I call out your name, can you just come up and receive your prize from Mr. Stanford, please? And we'll have a round of applause after every group of 3. Okay, so first up are the academic subject prizes. Now, these prizes are awarded to the top academic performer in each subject. In ancient history, we have Isabel Yates. In art, Maggie Liu. And in biology, we have Bobby Doe. The prize for Latin goes to Ayush Panda. For maths, Faheel Naveed. And for music, it's Richa Kolachakate. Prize for physics goes to a
period of time, whether it be for effort, for attainment, for your contribution to the community, and for making progress. And it's absolutely right that a school like this should celebrate that excellence and value scholarship and love of learning, and ultimately that ambition to succeed. It's also worth saying, though, for all of you who haven't won prizes, that your efforts are nonetheless equally important, both at an individual level and collectively. And you will have made a contribution to making the RGS community what it is, and will have contributed in so many different ways to that sense of belonging. On the subject of contribution, I would like to thank all of you who have performed in musical ensembles, sung in the choir just now, and have taken part in drama productions, represented the school in sport, as we heard a moment ago. Those of you who represented the school council and engaged in a whole range of clubs and activities. But perhaps the thing I'd most like to thank for is for any one of you who at some point has looked after a friend who, for whatever reason, might have been finding something tough. Because actually, it's those little acts of kindness that often go unmentioned, unnoticed. They are really what make the community what it is. And clearly, over the course of the last year, you've been working tremendously hard, both academically and in all your activities outside the classroom. But none of that would have been possible without the support of your family. So when you go home this evening, please do make a point of thanking your parents for all the support they have given you to make it possible along the way. And we're about to finish off this prize-giving assembly with a final piece of music. And while you are listening to it, please do reflect on what it is you've achieved this year, both individually and collectively.